Speaker say, we are working very hard in terms of assisting farmers so that they can have land for cultivation. Mr. Speaker say, there are a number of ways we are doing that. One is, our ministry is working very closely with EATL-TV. They're having regular meetings with the Deputy GM to how we could facilitate. We do get direct requests from new investors for land in various parts of the country where they prefer to undertake commercial farming, Mr. Speaker. So that's one way we are facilitating availability and access to land. Mr. Speaker say, number two is that government through the budget have allocated $6.9 million under the CBUL program, Community and Better Utilization of Land, to assist in subsidizing rental rates for farmers so that the landowners are able to get the true rent while the farmers or new farmers are not affected or don't get incentivized to rent that particular piece of land and undertake farming. So Mr. Speaker say, pretty successful program, started a number of years ago, and this year's budget has got $6.9 million. Mr. Speaker said there are a number of other allocations which is there to incentivize farmers to expand commercial agriculture, as well as new farmers to come in and take advantage of those assistance to undertake commercial farming. For example, Mr. Speaker say, Sustainable Land Management Program has $0.3 million. Agriculture Extension Services to provide technical advice has about $0.6 million. Export Promotion Program helps both the exporters as well as the farmers linked to the exporters, $250,000. Food Security Program to ring-fence our rural, interior, maritime households to secure the household respect to food and nutrition has got a allocation of $250 million. We've got allocation for coconut farming, ginger farming, $0.6 million. Flatland development so that we undertake clearing and development of land so that farmers can undertake that particular use that particular land for cultivation. That particular scheme is there through the Demand DDA program, Demand Driven Agriculture program. Farmers are given that assistance for land clearing at zero cost to them. Excess road, Mr. Speaker, so we've got $0.8 million allocated to construct access roads so that farmers are able to access the land or get their produce and have an access to the market. The Speaker said, without having farm roads, it's very difficult to have that value chain operate efficiently. So we get goat extension program, livestock extension program, under which we got beef, goat, sheep, and cattle, Mr. Speaker said. Mr. Speaker said, so all in all, we've got allocation for different crop and livestock to allow and incentivize and assist farmers to get into agriculture and expand so that we can push commercial agriculture, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.